What's up, San Antonio? I'm student meteorologist Khalil Ray, and right now it feels very sticky outside, and you can tell by that dew point sitting at 70 degrees. Very, very sticky, uncomfortable. A lot of us has that frizzy hair. Luckily, I didn't because I don't have that much hair to begin with. But looking at the dew points across the area, we're not the only ones feeling that way in San Antonio. 71 degrees in Carson City, and upper 60s for most of our area, including to the west, into the hill country, and areas to the south. Just feeling uncomfortable as heck this morning, and that's because we have this low really scooping in a lot of moisture from the Gulf, and that's just going to continue throughout today and tomorrow. So that's why we see a lot of those rain chances. And then after this system pushes through and we have that cold front move through, dropping our temperatures just slightly, we're going to have another system that we're going to be watching coming off the coast that's going to develop over the southwest, and that's going to bring even more rain chances as we go later on throughout this 7-day forecast period. So right now, we look at the radar, we're already seeing some storms firing up in the hill country, some heavy rain as a matter of fact, just to the north of Kerrville, and that's just going to continue. We're going to see that rain just train over the same areas over and over again, and you can see that especially looking at the future track, when we have this line of thunderstorms, that's just going to continue over these areas of the hill country over and over again, and then we're going to have another rain pass through early Friday morning. Now, because of these multiple rounds of rain, we do have a flood watch for our area, including Bexar County here in San Antonio, areas to the west and to the northwest that could just see those multiple rounds of rain over and over again. It's just not going to, it's going to be pretty much never ending for us. So what's they looking like here in San Antonio? Well, we are going to be pretty mild in terms of our temperature, sitting in the lower 80s, but we are going to see some of those rain chances start to ramp up this afternoon and going into later on tonight. So here's what our 7 days is going to look like. We're going to be sitting in the 80s for most of our forecast period. Not a comfortable one. It's going to be very muggy because we're just going to have that stream of moisture coming in from the Gulf. And then we're going to see our rain chances, as a matter of fact, stay with us over the next 5 days, ramping up to about 6% chance by early next week before we finally start to dry off and clear out from this very wet pattern going into Tuesday and Wednesday, along with seeing some of those cooler temperatures. So for more weather updates, visit us at UIW Weather.